Samsung is once again making headlines, but this time it's not about a brand new flagship. Instead, the focus has shifted towards something millions of users actually care about: software updates. Right after introducing the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, the company is now bringing fresh life to some of its older and more popular devices with the arrival of the One UI 8.5 beta. And this is not a small update. This is a big move that shows Samsung is serious about improving the experience even on older phones. The One UI 8.5 beta program has now expanded to more devices than before. Earlier, only a limited number of phones had access, but now several fan-favorite models are joining the list. This includes the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, which has been one of the most popular budget flagship options. Alongside it, mid-range devices like the Samsung Galaxy A35 and Samsung Galaxy A55 are also getting access to the beta, but that's not all. Samsung is also including its foldable lineup in this update. Devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 can now join the One UI 8.5 beta program as well. At the same time, newer foldables are not being ignored. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 are receiving Beta 2 updates, while the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 are moving ahead with Beta 3. This clearly shows that Samsung is actively improving the software experience across multiple generations of devices at the same time. However, there is one important catch that cannot be ignored. The One UI 8.5 beta is currently limited to specific regions. Not everyone can install it right away. For example, users with the Galaxy S23 FE and Galaxy A35 can join the beta only if they are in India. Meanwhile, most of the other supported devices are currently getting beta access in South Korea. That said, there is good news. Samsung is expected to expand this beta program to more regions very soon, including the United States and the United Kingdom. So if the update is not available yet, it might just be a matter of time. Now the big question is, what actually makes One UI 8.5 exciting? This update is not just about small fixes. It brings a mix of new features, design improvements, and smarter tools. One of the biggest highlights is the introduction of new AI-powered features. Samsung is pushing harder into AI, aiming to make everyday tasks faster and more convenient. Another major upgrade comes in the form of improved privacy and security settings. Users are getting more control over their data, which is becoming more important than ever. These changes are designed to make devices not only smarter but also safer. There is also a noticeable design refresh. The interface feels cleaner, smoother, and more modern. Animations are expected to be more fluid, and overall performance should feel more polished compared to previous versions. But one feature that stands out the most is something many users have been waiting for: AirDrop-like functionality. With One UI 8.5, Samsung is improving Quick Share to deliver a much smoother file sharing experience, similar to what Apple users enjoy. This feature is already present in the beta but will be fully activated later, which makes it even more exciting for future updates. For those interested in trying the beta, the process is quite simple. First, the Samsung Members app is required. After signing in with a Samsung account, a banner will appear inside the app that allows users to enroll in the beta program. Once enrolled, a software update notification will show up, and the beta version can be downloaded and installed like a normal update. But before jumping in, there is something important to consider. Beta software is not always stable. It can come with bugs, performance issues, and even unexpected problems. That is why it is usually recommended not to install beta updates on a main device. Backing up important data is also a must before installing any beta software. For many users, waiting might actually be the smarter choice. Samsung is expected to release the stable version of One UI 8.5 very soon. In fact, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is likely to receive the official update before the end of this month. Once the stable version is out, it will offer a much smoother and safer experience without the risks that come with beta software. This puts users in a simple situation. Try the new features early with some risk, or wait a few weeks and get the complete polished version. Either way, one thing is clear: Samsung is doing a strong job when it comes to software support. Bringing new features to older devices is something users truly appreciate, and this move helps extend the life of smartphones that people already own. And with AI features, better security, improved design, and enhanced sharing tools, One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be a solid update across the board. Now the only thing left is to see how smoothly Samsung rolls it out globally and how well these features perform in real-world use. What are the thoughts on One UI 8.5? Is the beta worth trying, or is it better to wait for the stable version? Share your opinion in the comments below and stay connected for more latest tech updates.